Hi guys, welcome back to Drawing Land for Kids. Today we're going to be learning, and this is a highly requested video by one of my students. So Yair, if you're watching, this is for you. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. I had a lot of fun making this video, so I hope you guys enjoyed as well. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. As always, I'm using a Sharpie, but you can use anything you have and a piece of paper. I will link some items in the description. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to be drawing a dinosaur on one side and a volcano right next to it. So let's start with our dinosaur. We're drawing a T-rex. Let's go ahead and draw. Now we're going to start with the head over here. A curved line right over here. And when you're ready, we're going to draw another curved line right over here. But this one comes up a little bit more. Now it's not going to look exactly, if it doesn't look exactly like mine, that's okay. Even my drawings don't look exactly like the previous drawing that I drew, even though I'm drawing the same thing. So don't worry about that. Let's draw a little bump right here. And then we're going to finish the head. We're going to draw another curved line here. Let's go ahead and draw the body in the front. So we're going to draw a line going down like this, and it is a little bit slanted, so it's not straight, but it's a little bit slanted. And then let's go ahead and draw a curved line here and a little curved line right over here. Now, I like to finish the head before we finish the body, so let's go ahead, just so we know where things are, let's go ahead and draw the eye. We're going to draw a curved line here, and then we're going to draw a curved line here. Now for the eye, we're going to draw a curved line here and fill that right in. You can do any kind of eye you would like. You don't have to do this. And I'm just going to draw a little eyebrow. Now when you're ready, let's go over here and draw some teeth. So we're just going to draw a super simple line like that. Draw a little breathing hole for the nose. And then I like to draw these curved upside down triangles going all the way across. Okay, when you guys are ready, let's go in and draw the rest of the body. So I'm going to bring this line in a little. See, there's a little curve there. And then we're going to go out and down. Just like that. Now I'm going to go, I like to go back and forth because it helps the drawing look more realistic. So let's go in and put in the arms first. We are going to, right here, draw a little curved line, draw another line right under it, and then we're going to curve this line, go up. Okay, so right here we're going to do a zigzag kind of line for the fingers, and then we're just going to go back down and attach it to this other line. If I'm going too fast for you guys, you can always pause the video Okay, now let's go in and draw another curved line here for the second arm. And then we're just going to do a little zigzag line again, and then go back and attach it to the body. Super easy. Okay, now we're going to go back and add a line here, making sure it lines up with this line. Just a short little line. And let's go in and draw a curved line right over here. This is going to be part of the front leg. And then we're just going to extend it out a little bit, just like that. When you're ready, let's do a little curve. Just like that. So it should look like kind of like the letter S. Okay, when you guys are ready, we're going to draw a curved line here, and then we're going to go back in and do like kind of like a zigzag line. Add another line here, and then another one right here. So you should have 1, 2, 3 little shapes for the feet. We're gonna go back up. Draw a line right here. And then for that whole front leg, we're just going to draw a line here. And then we're going to round it out and go up a little, just like that. And there's your front leg. Now, we're going to go in and draw the rest of the back side of the body and the tail. So I'm just going to bring this all the way down. We're going to draw a curved line like that. So this is where the tail is going to be. So when you're ready, draw a little line like that. Again, if this video is going too fast, you can always pause it and take your time. Whatever works for you. Okay, now we're going to draw a line right over here. So this front side of the body, we need to finish that off. So find out where this line is and then go down and see where it would appear again down here. So once you find that line, actually, so right over here, we're going to draw a line and connect it. This is this part continued down here. Now, when you're ready, we're going to draw the last leg. So let's draw a curved line here. And then we're going to draw a curved line here. Go around. Go in and do 3 zigzag lines. So 1, 2, 3. Now we are going to add some patterns on our dinosaur. I did something really simple. I just used like half a circle, curved lines, and I just went in and just like this, I made some of them bigger towards the center, and then I made some smaller ones. going all the way down. Okay, that was our dinosaur. Pretty simple. I mean, a little bit complicated, but if you take the steps and go slow and you can pause, you will have this dinosaur all drawn. Okay guys, so somewhere along me recording, I must have not hit the record button, so I was talking and drawing step by step, and so this is what the final looks like. So I'm gonna come back and do another drawing for the volcano, going step by step, but you should be, if you'd like, you can put them next to each other or you can draw them separately, but this video is meant to have them both next to each other. Let's come back and do the step by step for the volcano. Okay guys, let's go ahead and start drawing the volcano. When you're ready, we're gonna go in and draw a curved line here. And let's draw a curved line here. And another curved line here. Now we want to make this volcano look like it's erupting. So what I'm doing right now is going in and adding these wavy lines, kind of like if you were adding like frosting on a cake. And then we're going to go in and draw a curved line going down and another curved line going down. And to finish off the volcano, we're going to draw a curved line here. When you're ready, we're going to draw another wavy line. Right over here. When you're ready, we are going to add some kind of like teardrops coming out. We just want to make it look like the volcano's like exploding with lava. So we're going to add some drops around. Now for the smoke, we're going to go in and draw, using a bumpy line, we're going to draw some curved lines, but notice how some of them I'm making bigger and some of them I'm making smaller. So use variety and make some of them bigger and some of them smaller. So we're just drawing curved lines going all the way back in. And there you have it. That was the volcano part. Now let's come back and see what the final looks like. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I really enjoyed making this. It was a highly requested video by one of my students, Yair. I hope you enjoy this, Yair, if you're watching. I did use my iPad to color this in. I used some values and some shading, as you can see on the final. But you guys can use anything you have at home. Crayons, markers, colored pencils. It will still look good no matter what materials you use. But I will link some items in the description of my favorite supplies, and I will link that in the description below. If you liked the video and you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. It really does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate your support. Alright everybody, see you in my next video. Bye bye.